to do it. Yes, he is. He says, I know how to do it. It makes good sounds. Yes, it does. Woo! Big bangs. We like the big ones. Good boy. That's right. Good. Good boy. That's it. Yes. Good boy. That's really good. Yes, he says I'm a genius. They all love that bang board. They've learned to actually move it down so it makes a sound. It's awesome. I use that with most all my litters. More bag destruction. That bag doesn't have a chance. Uh-oh. He's so cute. Good boy! You did it again! Yes, you did! Good boy! Oh, what a good boy. He says, I don't know, maybe I'm just freaking out for no reason. Good boy! They're actually doing it on purpose to make the sound. I praise him for it. They don't even get treats. It's terrible praise. Hey, hey, hey! Uh-oh. Guess it's WrestleMania. It's WrestleMania. Come on. No. Leave your brother alone. Ow! Leave him alone. They get in trouble. Ow! What? You're cute. No, you're mommy's favorite. Look at you guys. Woo! This girl's got a bit of an alpha streak. Oh my. Uh-oh. What's he doing? His confidence is growing. Good boy! Did you do it? Oh, good girl. Did you do the board? Did you do the board? Okay, now everybody wants lovins. Everybody wants some lovins. Stop it.